All right, let's check the room out.
All right, where are we?
We are at the Bellagio in Las Vegas.
That's right. All right, so this is the Fountain View King room here. We're gonna give you guys a brief tour of this room. I think that it's worth every penny. What do you think?
I think so, yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Hook a hard left right here, and you guys can see that there's a bathroom to the left. Beautiful tub here, very spacious. A couple racks of towels, nice decor on the walls, and a little bit of decor over there on the side. This is a single sink, plenty of lighting for you to do your makeup and things like that. Very, very nice space, big mirror, and even this pull-out mirror, the articulating mirror there. I know some of the ladies like that. You got your standard toilet, and you have a really nice glass shower here for those who don't like to take baths like myself. So it comes with some pretty good standard amenities as it relates to your bathing experience and bathroom experience overall.
Right.
You got a full-size mirror right here, so you can check yourself out, as people like to say, as you go and hit the strip at night. This is the main portion of the room here. You got a king-size bed. You got 2 nightstands. You got plenty of charging opportunities on each one of these lamps. You have an outlet. You do have your drawers and the nightstands, standard Bible, things like that. You know how it is. You got your little radio and iPod, iPhone dock there. As far as the entertainment system, you got a nice little TV here. As standard in Vegas, it also comes equipped with a mini bar, and of course you are forewarned ahead of time, hopefully when you check in, that if you take anything off, because these are weighted, if you take anything off for more than a minute, it will charge you. So just kind of be careful of that, because these things are not cheap. It comes with a couple wine glasses, a couple glasses for water, bucket for ice, which is really nice. I like that touch there. I have some auxiliary inputs here if you want to hook up Xbox, PS2, Wii, things like that. I got some more chips and foods to munch on here. You got some drawers here to put your clothes in if you don't want to just live out of your bag. You got this really nice, kind of disguised closet area here, which is actually just another storage, mostly hang up for clothes that are hung on hangers, as well as the hideaway spot for the robe and the ironing board and iron. So you got your thermostat controls here. You got 2 seats, and what we've seen people do, right, love, is pull these seats out, right?
Yeah, and they'll turn them around to the window,
yeah.
basically.
All right, so now, obviously, if you pay for a king fountain view, you want to see what the view looks like. There's 2 ways to do that. So right here, you could control the drapes and shears, or over there near one of the light switches, you can control them there closer to the entrance of the room. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to just press these right by the bed. As you'll see, the drapes open, shears open, and let's check out the view here. This is what you're paying for, and we highly recommend that you get a room that's on the 25th floor or up. Really, anything 20 and up is going to be good, but the higher the better. You know, some people say you could be too high, and it's almost like you're looking down. I hadn't felt like that's the case. We've been here for 1 show thus far for the water fountains, and it definitely looks like it's perfect view here. Just a few floors up, probably wouldn't be that big of a deal. But this is what you're paying for, guys. This is a pretty nice room. I will be doing some work here at this little workstation on Monday and Tuesday, so it's pretty neat. You'll be able to do work while at the same time look out the fountains if you want a moment of distraction or whatever. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our review. This is the Bellagio. This is room 70 on floor 25, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Anything that you want to know about this hotel, let us know. We're going to be trying to find out all the intricacies over our trip. You might see it in another video a little bit more. So take it easy. Talk to you soon.